Customers really like the Cyclone because at the end of the day, they get the job done on the first pass, and our customers here at Homes Rental really like it for that reason. So it has 38 flail blades. It really shreds the product and it chews up the briars and all the brush a lot better than the competitor. It is great on hills, it's got tracks, it will do all kinds of terrain. It has a platform you can stand on. It's a well-engineered machine. It's got a heavy-duty steel frame, heavy-duty drive system. The belt to run the flails is heavy-duty. You don't have to work on it. It's a good rental piece of equipment. You just rent it time after time and it works well.